Well, what's up YouTube and everyone that watches this video? Just wanted to give a quick update. As you can see, I got the car in the garage right now. I've been doing some work on it, so I'm going to show you that. Adapted my hood opening tool, so just put some zip ties on it temporarily. I did just get my new knob, so I'll be putting that on pretty soon. But this is where I'm at right now. So you can see I have pulled the motor out of it. Just give you a little rundown. All the Mercedes goodness that came from the factory. Also pulled off the front bumper, got rid of, or took out the condenser, radiator, all the fans, the bumper. Got the wheels off, just give me a little bit of room to play with as well. I pulled the motor out of this thing a couple of weeks ago. I've been slow to work on this as I've been gathering stuff and getting my ducks in a row, and just basically prepping myself for the work that's ahead of me. And as you can see, it's an empty engine bay. Looks like we got some decent amount of room. Some of the next things I'm going to be doing are getting my motor and transmission together, stripping that down, and then making some mounts for it. And then once that's done, start getting all the auxiliary pieces together, like the radiator. I'm gonna try and keep AC, power steering lines, and all the fuel system and things like that. So as you guys may be wondering, is what motor am I gonna be putting in here? And basically what I want to do is put the motor from one of these over into one of these. So basically what I'll be doing is a 2JZ swap and twin turbo, and should be a lot of fun. I plan to go with a 6-speed manual, and hopefully I won't have to modify the trans tunnel too much. I'm still trying to figure out all the fine details on the transmission dimensions. May have to do a little banging or trimming, so we'll see what happens with that. And then I'll show you a little time-lapse videos that I got from pulling the motor right after this. Be putting it onto the back end of this video. And nothing special, just me running around the car a bunch and twisting nuts and bolts and getting the motor out of here. So stay tuned for more updates.